This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, so this is a continuation video. In the earlier video, we have discussed how can you allow a user to download an Excel template in Pega. Now, in this video, we are going to talk how to upload an Excel file and how to parse the Excel file in Pega. How can you do it? So this is pretty simple, and this is one of the most frequent tasks that developers get in real time. To design a screen where the user can upload some files. So I hope this video should help the people who have those kind of requirements. So I took a simple section. Okay. Now I need to design a screen where the user can upload a file. It can be an Excel, notepad, image, PDF, it can be anything. End of the day, I need to design a screen where this person can upload some content. So how can I do that? Do you have any controls for that? Look at this. Do you have any controls here where the person, yes, you have attached content, you can use it. Okay, that is one of the things that you can use. Okay, you can just drag and drop attach content, and that's it, the person can upload the content. This is one way. The other way to do it is, okay, there's one way of doing it. You can try this. The other way to do it is, you just drag and drop any control first. Okay, any control. Okay, then you go over here and you click on change and other. The control is not listed here, so you have to click on other and look for file path control. Okay, just let it come. This one, you need to take this. So when you take this, automatically you get like this, a file, a button to upload the file, and the file actually gets stored on a server location. All that configurations will automatically happen. So you get like this. And now what did I do? I just added a title like please upload a customer data Excel file. I added a title and I gave a property. Why should I give a property? Now, where will you store the file data then? The file name and all those things. So I just gave a property to store the file data like file name and all that stuff. Just file name, I mean. So I have to map a property to store the file name. Now, any actions needed? No, nothing is needed. Okay, nothing. I just give heading 4 so that this looks little bold. Okay, that's it. So what did we do? I just took a random control. I changed it to file path control. And then I just mapped the properties to store my file name. Okay, now what will happen if I upload a file? So just this is the screen that is coming. Now you just go, you pick any file, sample template of user, some file I have taken, and I just uploaded it. Okay, now when you click on submit, okay, let me take another file. Because I have parsing code in the back end. So if I submit this, it will fail. So I want to put a proper, not this one. I want to put a proper file. Mm, not this one. Okay. Now when I submit it, okay, when I submit it, the file will go to the server and it will be stored on the server. So where will it go and where will it be on the server? Where can I see it? So if you actually go to your, okay, C drive, the place where you install the software, and PRPC Personal Edition and temp and static content, global, I think, service export. Yeah, do you see this? Whatever files I kept uploading, they're all stored here. Okay. Now, in your machine, how do I know what is the path in your real time projects? So, you will actually find it on the clipboard. It will be present on the clipboard once you upload the file. On the PX requester, you will be finding it. The file path will be found here. Hmm. Maybe after uploading, I'll find it. Just allow me a second. Hmm. Where did I find it? Session context? No. Generally, here you'll find the file path. Let me upload it once. Then let's go to the clipboard. And here, system pages, requester. Yeah, here do you see this file upload path? Okay, you can check this path in your real time as well. You'll find the actual file where it is. Okay, so I went in the same path and I was able to find the file. Okay, now, so now this is how you upload a file. You design a screen to upload the file. So we just kept a control and that's it. You uploaded. You went and saw the actual file on the server location as well, which is good. Now, what is next thing we wanted to learn? How can I parse the content in this Excel? Good, you have uploaded it. Now, how can I get the content from it? Now, what's the content I kept in the Excel? So this is my Excel. Okay, I just kept couple of rows of data, nothing much. I just gave names, email, account number, country, and account creation date. So now I want to parse this content, display it on the screen, and store it in the DB. So step one is parsing the content. How can you parse the content? So I just took an activity. Okay, it's a brand new activity I have written. First, I have created a page. On this page, I'm going to put the Excel content. So I created a page and I declared it to one of my classes. Okay, my classes customer data table is there, and that I'm planning to put my content. So I declared it to one of my classes. Now, this is just to nullify some properties which I'll be teaching you later. Then this is the actual activity to parse an Excel. Here in earlier days, we used to use this activity MSO parse Excel file. That is now deprecated. Please don't use it. Okay. MSO parse Excel is deprecated long back. So if somebody has used it, you may need to change it in the later versions because it's deprecated. You can just go to records explore technical and activity and you can find this MSO parse Excel file. It's deprecated. Now, what is the latest one? PX parse Excel file. So you call this activity. Okay. Now, what are the inputs for this activity? It's asking you like what is the path, like where is the file uploaded. You saw the path right on PX request or on PY file upload. We just saw on the clipboard. So this you need to give px requester py file upload. So you're using that page, right? So please declare the px requester thing. Okay, and then it is asking you to parse the file. I have to provide an Excel template, like which column data should go into which property and which page on the clipboard. I have to mention. So it is asking me, can you share me a sample template which tells me like where the first column should be stored on clipboard, on which clipboard page, second column on which clipboard page which property, third column which clipboard page which property. So it is asking me a template which explains where to store the data. So first I need to go and create a template for that. So I have created an Excel template like this. So for first name, last name, email, account number, country, and account created date, right? Now then I have to tell them where to store the right data, right? I have to tell them. So it's a page list. We are going to push multiple rows of data. So I said on the clipboard, whatever is the step page. Okay, in this step page, PX results means first record only PX results of 1 into a property F name. Do I have a property F name? Yes, I have. Look at this. Okay. Then last name into a property L name, email into a property email. So whatever properties you have, exact properties, case sensitivity, spelling exactly you need to give. Okay. And because you're pushing multiple rows of data, PX results, and because this is an input, you have to write it as an input like this. Okay. So whatever you want to store, wherever you want to store, mention it like this. And now, how do you pass it to this activity? Then good, you created it. How do you pass it here? Again, you need to create a binary file. Okay. So I created a binary file like this. In this, I have uploaded this Excel which we designed just now. This I have uploaded. Okay, now what is the name of this? WebWB Customer Data Excel Template XLSX. Same name I have to give here with exclamation in between. WebWB exclamation, Customer Data Excel exclamation XLSX. The same thing, copy paste. Don't type and make mistakes. Okay, so you have to use px parse Excel file. The most important input to this is the Excel template which tells you into which property I have to store the content on the clipboard. So this template you need to upload it as a binary file, and the binary file name you need to pass here. Now automatically the Excel will be parsed. and the data will come on whatever step page you have given, it will come there. Let's see how it is behaving. So let me put a tracer on this. I just kept a tracer on my activity. Okay, let's upload an Excel file and see, is that really parsing the content or not. Okay, now I say, now where did you call this activity? See, I called this activity on this button. On this button, I just said on click run activity. That's it. On click refresh run activity. So if you want, you can see this. I just took a button, on click refresh inside that activity. Okay, now let's click this button and look at the tracer. I wrote a lot of steps in the tracer because I have plans to cover the rest of the things in the later videos. So there are a lot of steps. We'll not look at all of them. We'll only look till parsing. Okay. So the parsing is done here. Look at the step page. Oh wow. See, the data is parsed. Do you see this? My Excel content is now on the clipboard. Okay. So it is very easy to parse. Am I right? We just gave one single step. Parse Excel file. That's it. And I give the template and the data is on the clipboard. It's pretty easy. Okay, so in this video you have learned how to design a screen to upload the Excel and how to parse the content in the Excel, right? And in the previous video you learned this one. Now in the next video you'll learn how to validate the content and how to save the data to DB. You'll be learning. Okay, thank you so much for watching.